Now, TVJ Sports has learned that outstanding Auburn University athletes Akeem Bloomfield, Nathan Allen, and Jonell Smith will be joining the professional ranks in a matter of weeks. The decision by former Kingston College standout and national junior record holder Akeem Bloomfield comes just weeks after he clocked a personal best 43.94 at the NCAA's Division I Championships. The time was just 100th of a second outside of Jamaica's national record and took the 20-year-old to second. And former St. Diego standout and the 2016 national 400-meter champion Nathan Allen, who clocked 44.13 for third behind Bloomfield at the June 9 championships, has also opted to forego 2 more years of representing Auburn to go professional. The third athlete is Jonell Smith, who was fourth in the 100-meter final on Friday night in 11.15 seconds, just shy of her 11.11 personal best. Smith has reportedly completed her college education. It's understood that the three have signed a deal with Puma and could be seen on the Diamond League circuit this season. The decision by the three follows the likes of Michael Norman of the University of Southern California, who took the college 400-meter title ahead of Bloomfield and Allen in an astonishing 43.61 and immediately announced he was becoming a professional athlete. While Smith contested the ongoing national trials, Bloomfield and Allen opted to skip the meet, which means they will not be representing Jamaica at the 3 senior meets later this year.